નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Now the continue the chapter number 8 in exercise 8.3. In exercise 8.3, word problem, the question number 3 and question number 5 we will discuss. Now to our next 3 word problem, this means question number 5, question number 6 and question number 7. So let's start the question number 5. I buy a TV for rupees 10,000 and sell it at a profit of 20%. How much money do I get for it? So this one is our question. So first of all, what is the meaning of this question? मैंने कोई एक टीवी खरीदा, कितने में? 10,000 रुपीज में. बाद में थोड़ी दिनों के बाद उसे मैंने सेल किया तो मुझे परसेंटेज में यानी कि 20% प्रॉफिट हुआ. हाउ मच मनी डू आई गेट फॉर इट? इट्स मीन्स मुझे कितने मनी मिले होंगे. इट मीन्स वी विल फाइंड द आवर सेलिंग प्राइस. इट मीन्स वी विल फाइंड द आवर सेलिंग प्राइस. व्हाई? बिकॉज बोथ, इट मीन्स सीपी इज गिवन, प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज इज गिवन. CP is given, profit percentage is given, but selling price is not given. So first of all we will find the selling price in this question. Then how to find? So first of all, dear students, note it, so which type of the value is given in this question. List out. So first of all, CP is given, it means 10,000. Then after, profit percentage is given 20%. So what it? Here dear students, given profit percentage, so first of all our first step is this profit percentage convert into the profit. परसेंटेज में दिया गया है तो हमें उसे पहले तो प्रॉफिट में यानी कि रुपीस में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. इट इज गिवन इन परसेंटेज साइन कन्वर्ट इनटू द रुपीस. देन हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस? तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज, व्हाट इज द प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज फॉर्मूला? प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज इज इक्वल टू प्रॉफिट बाय सीपी multiply by 100. So this one is the profit percentage formula. Understand? We will find the profit. So this one is our profit. It means profit is equal to profit percentage multiply by CP and divided by 100. Yes or no? Right? Now what is the profit percentage? It means 20 multiply by, what is the cost price? Cost price is means 10,000 and divided by 100. Then after 0, 0, 0, 0 cut. 2 multiplied by 100 is means 2,000. So this one is my profit. How many rupees profit? 2,000 rupees profit. But what is the selling price? So dear students, selling price is equal to CP plus profit. So this one is the selling price. So CP is equal to 10,000 rupees. And profit is equal to 2,000 rupees. It means total 12,000 rupees selling price. It means मैंने अपना जो टीवी है वो 12,000 rupees में सेल किया है. Understands? If you are not understand, so one more time I have to repeat it. So first of all, dear students, here given in this question, so 10,000. So write down the test method. What is the 10,000? So buy means cost price. So first of all, cost price. Then after the profit of 20, here is the percentage. This means this one is given the profit percentage. Write down the profit percentage is equal to how many? 20%. Profit percentage in this question. So first of all, our first step, percentage convert into the rupees. Then how to convert it into rupees? So using the profit percentage formula. Profit percentage is equal to profit by CP multiplied by 100. We will find the profit. It means profit in this side. CP in divide equal to this side multiply, it means profit multiply by CP. 100 is multiply convert into equal to this side, it means multiply to divide. So this one is our divide. Profit percentage, what is the profit percentage? It means 20, the write down. Multiplication sign is as it is. CP is means cost price. What is the cost price? The 10,000 rupees. So write down here 10,000 rupees and divided by 100. 2 0 cut. 20 multiplied by 100 is means 2,000. So this one is our profit. But in this question we will find the SP is means selling price. So using the selling price formula, SP is equal to CP plus profit. CP is equal to 10,000 rupees plus as it is profit is equal to 2,000 rupees. It means total selling price is means 12,000 rupees. So this one is our question number 5. Understand students? Clear? How to solve this type of the word problem? Okay. Next, our question number 6. Zuhin sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. She loses 20% in the bargaining. What was the price at which she bought it? It means in this question जूही ने एक वॉशिंग मशीन क्या किया है, सेल किया है, कितने में, 13,500 रुपीज में, यानी कि 13,500 रुपीज ने उसे बेचा है वॉशिंग मशीन। तो उसमें उसने क्या हुआ, लॉस हुआ, क्या हुआ, लॉस। हाउ मेनी, 20%। What was the price which she bought it? Bought is means cost price. It means, dear students, in this question we will find the CP. So first of all, which type of the value is given in this question? Note it down. So selling price is means SP is equal to 13,500 is given. Then after loss percentage is given. How many? 20%. Same for the our question number 5. So question number 5 given a profit percentage, then we will find the profit. So dear students, in this question we will given a loss percentage. So first of all we will find the loss, but we will find the CP first of all. Why? So dear students, in this questions we don't know CP is cost price is equal to, we don't know. So let's suppose in this question CP is equal to X. Suppose cost price is equal to X. Clear? Now loss is equal to loss percentage multiplied by CP and divided by 100. This one is the percentage converted to rupees formula, directly apply. Loss is equal to loss percentage multiplied by CP divided by 100. Same for this one. So loss percentage is means 20 multiplied by CP is equal to X, and here is 100. 25 it means X by 5 rupees loss. X by 5 rupees loss. But we will find the CP, it means cost price. So dear students, what is the loss formula? So loss is equal to CP minus SP. CP minus SP. This one is the loss formula. So loss is equal to X by 5 is equal to CP is equal to X, and SP is equal to 13,500. Right? Now into this side. So X by 5 plus in this side minus X. Here remaining in this portion, it means minus 13,500. Directly cut is not possible. Why? Because denominator are different. Here denominator means 5, here denominator is nothing, this means 1. So first of all we will find the LCM. 5 or 1, LCM is equal to 5. Right? Now which number to multiply? 1, it means this one is X as it is, it means X by 5 is as it is. Here denominator is 1, which means which number to multiply 5? It means 5 multiplied by X, it means 5X, 1 multiplied by 5 it means 5. Minus 13,500 is as it is. Clear? Now denominator are same. X minus 5X. X minus 5X is means minus 4X by 5 is equal to minus 13,500. In both the side, minus minus cut, it means only remaining 4X by 5 is equal to 13,500. We will find the value of X. So write down here only for X. Then after 13,500 is as it is. 5 in divide equal to this side, this means multiply. 4 in multiply equal to this side, this means divide. So last, if इसे आप लोग डिवाइड और मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो x वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू 16,875 रुपीज आपको मिलेगी. इस मीन्स x इज इक्वल टू 16,875. इस मीन्स आवर कॉस्ट प्राइस इज इक्वल टू 16,875. So understand students? Clear how to solve this types of the question? This one is the important. Then after the question number 6. So dear students, in the question number 6, the two questions. In question number 6, how many questions? Two questions. So first of all, we will discuss about the first question. It means A. So let's start the question number 7, A part. Chalk contain calcium, carbon and oxygen in the ratio 10:3:12. Find the percentage of carbon in chalk. So first of all, in chalk, how many? 3 types: calcium, carbon and oxygen. So what is the calcium? So calcium is means first is means 10, then after carbon is means 3, then after oxygen is means 12. It is given ratio. Now how to ratio find? So first of all we will find the total part. So total part is means 10 plus 3 plus 12, it means 25. But in this question we will find only for the percentage of carbon. The percentage of carbon is means 3. So write down the carbon percentage. So carbon percentage is means 3 by total part, 25 multiplied by 100. 25 for the 100. 3 multiplied by 4 is means 12% carbon in chalk. Okay, so understand students how to solve this types of the word problem. In this word, 2 word problem is the important, so note it down and clarify. Question number 5 and question. This one is the most important. Okay.
Thank you for joining us.